Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use Notion templates. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first you have to go to www.notion.so and log into your account. You can use Notion on desktop, web, mobile, but it's easier to work with templates on desktop or web. Once you have an account here, you have to go to the left side. You can browse built-in templates. So tap on templates and you will see categories like design, education, personal, project management. All you have to do is to click any template to preview it. Click use this template to add it to your workspace. So as you can see, all you have to do is to tap. You can also browse down below for more templates. So if you want to use this template, just click open the template. And then you can now tap on the add button right here. It will be added directly to the page and you can now edit this template. You can customize, you can edit the text, change icons, colors, or even add new blocks if you want. So another way also to look for any built-in template is to just create here a new page, for example, and then below you will see this templates and it's the same thing. You can just basically browse any categories right here and then tap. You can now use this template. You can remove or rearrange sections to make it fit your workflow. You can save or share your own template and you can just create a template gallery in your own workspace to organize multiple templates you frequently use. And that's how easy it is to use Notion templates. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.